آپ کو براہ راست اسلام آباد لے چلتے ہیں جہاں ایوان صدر میں تقریب جاری ہے اور شہباز شریف بھی شرکت کر رہے ہیں۔
ولا يؤوده حفظهما وهو العلي العظيم. In the name of Allah, the most compassionate, the most merciful. Allah, there is no deity except Him, the ever-living, the sustainer of all existence. Neither drowsiness overtakes Him, nor sleep. To Him belongs whatever is in the heavens and whatever is on the earth. Who is it that can intercede with Him, except by His permission? He knows what is presently before them and what will be after them, and they encompass not a thing of His knowledge, except for what He wills. His throne extends over the heavens and on the earth, and He is never weary of preserving them. He is the sublime, the tremendous. Sadaqallahu al-Azim.
His Excellency Liefang.
请何副总理起身前行至红毯处。
His Excellency Mr. Liefang is currently serving as the Vice Premier of the State Council. He is also a member of the Politburo of the Communist Party of China. Vice Premier has previously served as Vice Chairman of the CPPCC National Committee, the Chairman and Party Secretary of National Development and Reform Commission of China. The Commission not only organizes the implementation of strategies and plans for economic and social development, but also promotes the joint constitutional implementation of the Belt and Road Initiative. Born in 1955, Mr. Liefang studied finance at the reputed Xiamen University and gained a doctorate in economics in 1998. He began his political career in Fujian province, where he served in important positions, including as the party secretary of Fujian and Xiamen cities. Mr. Liefang later served as the party secretary of Binhai New Area and deputy secretary of Tianjin Municipality and chairman of the Tianjin People's Political Consultative Conference. Mr. Liefang is a great friend of Pakistan and is an ardent advocate of Pakistan-China friendship. As the chairman of NDRC, he oversaw the planning of the 1+4 cooperation model under CPEC, with a greater focus on industrialization and socio-economic development of Pakistan. Under his leadership, NDRC worked with the Ministry of Planning, Development and Special Initiatives of Pakistan for the implementation of major energy, transport and connectivity projects of CPEC. In recognition of his services towards Pakistan and for promoting China-Pakistan Economic Corridor, the President of Islamic Republic of Pakistan is pleased to confer Hilal Pakistan on Mr. Liefang. Mr. President, may I request you to decorate the award of Hilal Pakistan upon His Excellency Liefang.
请何副总理走上授勋仪式台。
Mr. President, may I have your permission to close the investiture ceremony?
总统先生，请允许我宣布仪式结束。
Thank you, distinguished guests. The formal proceedings of the special investiture ceremony are now over. The guests are requested to proceed to Liaquat Hall for refreshment, please. Thank you.
ऐवान सदर में चीन के नायब वजीराज़म लिफिंग को हिलाल पाकिस्तान का एजाज़ देने की तकरीब। चीन के नायब वजीराज़म लिफिंग सदर शी जिनपिंग के नुमाइंदा खुसूसी भी हैं।